Hey, welcome, brothers and sisters. I hope that you are well. In the last video, I have covered the function interface unary operator. In this video, I will talk about binary operator. So let's see what is binary operator. If you remember, we have C function and B function. Do you remember what is the difference between them or no? Let's see again, no problem. Function is like this prototype of function. I have T input type parameter, okay, and R for return value, okay, and with abstract method public R apply with T for argument. B function is like this. We have two input type parameter, T and U, and also the return type, R. And the abstract method is public R apply with T and U for argument. So for function, we have a unary operator. Okay, remember, if it is the same, if the input type and the return type are the same. Also, for the B function, we have binary operator. When it is, we can use binary operator if only the three type, the two input type and the return value are the same. Okay, remember this. Can use binary operator. Or what is binary operator? It is B function with the same type for the two inputs and the return value. Okay, let's say this by example. For example, I want to concatenate between two strings. It's for example concatenation, make concatenation. So if I want to do this with B function, how to write the code like this: B function, string, the first input type, the second is static string, and the third return type is string. Okay? Function will be f equal, open parenthesis, str1, comma, str2, simple arrow, str1 plus str2. Simple concatenation. After this, I will do system.out.println bf.apply Faisal for the first argument and Chico for the second. We got Faisal Chico. Code, okay? Now I have string for the first type, first input. The second input is string also. And the return value is string. So I can use here binary operator. Okay? How to use the binary operator? Or see before this, we see the prototype of binary operator before to make the example. Binary operator interface is like this. Binary operator with just one type, T. Just only one. Okay? And the method, abstract method, is like this. Public T apply. The first argument is T, T1, and the second is T, D2. Okay? The same thing, same type. And now if we write our example with binary operator, it becomes like this. Binary operator, string, just string, only one. Okay? BF equal, upper parenthesis, simple random expression, str1, comma, str2, simple arrow, str1 plus str2. And now we make the same also system.println bf.apply Faisal, comma, Chico. Okay? So let's see this example in the computer. See if we don't get an error or no. Always we must check. Okay? take consideration all this new feature. Let's go and check them. So let's write our example of concatenation with bifunction before to use binary operator. So like this, bifunction string and string. Okay, bf equal str1 comma str2 simple arrow str1 plus str2. Okay, and here system out of println bf dot apply Faisal Chico. Okay, let's see the result. Faisal Chico, good. Now I will write this code with binary operator like this. Binary operator, just string here. Okay, bu equal, and the same on the expression, there is no difference. And after this, system dot out dot println bu dot apply for Faisal and Chico, same thing. Okay, let's see this. We got, now let's just remove this one. Let's see what we got. Good, same result. Now we have to see how to use binary operator. Now I make this example. I have two int value. I want to return the sum of these two int value. To make this, I can use, of course, binary operator, like this directly. Binary operator, integer. Okay? Because I have two int value, or int value. Bu equal e1, comma, e2, between parentheses, simple arrow, e1 plus e2, semicolon. For this system dot println, bu dot apply 5, 7, for example, we got 12. Okay? Here what I have put 5 and 7, and both are int primitive type. So there is autoboxing conversion automatically by compiler after this to make the operation autoboxing and etc. for return type. So I have the problem of autoboxing and boxing. Okay? So to resolve this problem, we use primitive type function interface related to binary operator. Okay? For this case, what we use int binary operator. Here is the prototype of binary operator. It's simple, like previous. Interface int binary operator without any input type or return type, nothing. Okay? So we have specify here int. And the abstract method is like this: public int apply as it. Okay, apply as it, and I have to input argument int e1 and comma int e2. Okay, so if I want to rewrite my previous example to make the sum between two int value with int binary operator, it will be like this: int binary operator without any input type or return type. F equal, same on the expression, between parentheses, e1, comma, e2, simple arrow, e1 plus e2. And system on println, f dot apply as it, 5, 7. Okay? So here, I will execute also this example directly in the computer to see the result, and I will continue the video. Sure. Let's go.
So let's write our example with int binary operator. Okay, for the sum, so like this, int binary operator, and here nothing, of course. F equal the same, no, I write a new expression. It is A, comma, B, simple arrow, A plus B, okay? And here system.println f dot apply as int, dot apply. Here we put 5, 7. Let's see the result. Good. You see? I've used int binary operator. A here is int value, and 7 is int value. No autoboxing. Directly we use the int primitive type.
So now I have covered, I think not all, I don't know if it's all the primitive type functional interface with two different functional interface, predefined functional interface, predicate, function, consumer, supplier. I will show you in Java doc where you can, of course, get them, and you will see what I have recovered or no. If it's necessary, if you found any another functional interface that I have explained, I can do it, I can integrate it in the course, no problem. Okay? So I just go to the computer to show you where you can get all this functional interface. Let's go.
So let's see the Java doc for this functional interface. Just type in Google java.util.function. Okay, and click directly in the first link, and you get here all the functional interface. As you can see, consumer, we have CDA, BinaryOperator, boolean supplier, consumer, etc. I think I have covered all of them. I think, as I see here, yes, I think I have covered all of them. So I don't see a new thing here. Good. Okay, Joe, just practice. As I said, practice, and you will see you'll be familiar, inshallah, with them. Very good. So I hope that you have understood the course under this moment. If that is the case, it's good. If it was the case, just see again the video where you don't understand the concept, and practice until you will be familiar with, or until you will understand. Continue, don't stop until this moment. Okay, continue, just always stay motivated and focused, stay positive. Don't tell it's hard. No, don't think it's hard. If you practice, all will be easy, inshallah. And then we continue the course with a new chapter for the next video. Thank you a lot of brothers to have followed this course at this moment. Share it with your friends, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.